Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. In this video I am going to be reviewing a webcam that I had been eyeing, but it wasn't the one that I wanted, but it was the one that was available at the time, and it is this particular webcam. It's the Gucee or Gucci, I don't know how you pronounce that, Hd92 full HD webcam. It's 2 megapixel 1080p, and it's been on Newegg for a while, and there are several versions of this particular camera. They have 780 and 740. They have several different kinds of these cameras, and it's sold by a company called Corn Electronics. I believe they're here in the States, I'm not sure. But it took a while for this camera to come in. I think it took closely to a month. This was during the time when, homeschooling had begun and a lot of people were out buying webcams, and I wanted a Logitech webcam, but it was sold out and it didn't seem like it was going to be available for some time, and they didn't have any time that it would be available. So I went with this, and it came in about 2 weeks ago, or about a week ago I would say, and I got the color silver. It comes in black, and the option is 1080p, the output of it, and these are some of the features that it has. It does have a built-in microphone, and it's plug and play USB connectivity. Here's some other pictures of it. This is showing the type of sensor that it has, a 1.27-inch CMOS sensor, 110-degree wide viewing angle, and full HD, and it's nice looking. I like the way the silver has a nice touch to it, and that's just my touch on that. There are specifications here as well. Now I don't know why they had it as a USB 2.0 connection. I think it should have been a USB 3.0, but I don't know. It could be I got a unit that was maybe on its way out before they came out with the 3.0s, but in any case 2.0 works, 3.0 works. Sensor is a CMOS, the image resolution and the pixels, and so on and so forth. And it was available on March. I think I bought it in April, I think it was. And so, like I said, it took a while for it to come in. But this camera also has the microphones are these little things with the holes in it. That's the microphone. This is the camera lens. And it also has built-in lights that come on the side of it as well. And there are buttons on the top that will allow you to turn those lights on and turn them off, and also a button on the top that will allow you to take snapshots of it, but unfortunately there's no picture of it in this particular on this particular site. So with that being said, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and after the unboxing I will give a demonstration on how to use this camera. Now, in order to adjust the focus on it, which I believe from what I've read, the instructions are really useless. I would not suggest even trying to read the instructions. It's all in Chinese, and it doesn't do you it doesn't help you whatsoever. So with that being said, you have to either go online, go to YouTube and do a search for it, or you can just try to play around with it until you get it. I think the toughest part is trying to get the focus and adjusted, because you have to turn the ring around the lens, and it's kind of tough to turn, but with a little force you turn it counterclockwise and it'll start to focus, because when you get it, it's probably going to be out of focus. So with that, I'm going to head to a quick video and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is the box that the camera comes in. Got to get rid of all this wrapping bubble plastic stuff. Get rid of the box. And now for the unwrapping of the present. Get that out the way. Toss that G. Toss it. There you go. And nice box. That eye kind of scared me when I first turned it around. It kind of startled me. I wasn't expecting to see a eye looking at me, but those are some of the specs on it. Kind of, sort of good specs. What is on the box? Just logos, insignias, and that's about it for that. If I can open it up. Come on, oh, there you go. Now that I've opened it up, let's see what's inside the pretty box. And I believe we have the USB cable. Get rid of the box. Oh, look. Anything else in the box? The manual that does not do you any good, I might say. It's all in Chinese, so as you can see, doesn't do you any good. The pictures are useless, the words are useless, so you better just tossing that back in the box. And so here is the camera out of its packaging. As you can see, it has a reflective silver finish to it. On the top you have the button for the picture taking of the camera, and the other side you have the button that operates and turns on and off the front forward facing LED lights. On the bottom you have the adjustments. This is the end where you can attach it to a tripod or the top of a different mount. It has adjustable tilt, and on the back there's just really nothing. Now to mount the camera, all you have to do is just set it on top of the monitor that you're going to be utilizing, and then you just connect the USB cable to a USB port in the computer, and it's good to go. It's plug and play, no drivers to install or anything like that. The camera also adjusts side to side, so you can actually turn it left or right to get a better picture if you need to. Here is some video footage from the webcam. Nice and bright and clear, and I could adjust the lighting settings, but I was just trying to make a quick sample of the video feed. And I know it doesn't seem like it's smooth, but once you have it stable and sitting in one place, it'll be a lot more smoother. So that concludes this video about this webcam review. I hope this helps you guys out. You all stay safe, take care, and peace out.